All right, y'all. Howdy. Welcome back to Sweet Gem Life. Today is Money Monday. You know what it is? Monty Mondays. And we are getting our Paycheck 3 of July 2020 together, fam. Let's do this. So, head up, girl. Head up. So, this week we have our income. Let's get these lines drawn. Draw your lines. And you never have to wonder. Girl, you just said a mouthful. Okay, so our income is $926. We are, as usual, stashing $100 to the emergency fund. For those of you that are wondering, at this rate, I usually stash between $400 and $500 to my emergency fund this way. Now, I also have automatic withdrawals that are happening and going to my emergency fund that I keep over at Albert. Rainy day emergency fund, travel fund. It is split up wherever it is split up. I don't know the algorithm. I don't exactly pay that much attention. So this week we have expenses. We've got Cricket, which is my cell phone. It's $50 and that's on auto pay. We've got Navy Federal, which is my car note, and that's $272.39. We've got Self-Lender. A quick update about Self-Lender, that is also auto pay. I am still in the process of getting my credit together, and I have Self-Lender. It is, long story short, you are given a loan, but that loan is not given directly to you. The funds go into a CD, and then you pay down the loan. When you finish the loan term, the funds are yours. That's as easy as I can explain it. If you are interested or want to learn more, there's a link down below in the description box so you can see for yourself. Sign up, and I believe it's $10 that they'll give you. Again, Self-Lender, I love it. I've seen a drastic increase. So far, this is my second round. The first round I did was 1 year. This round is 2 years. My first round, my credit score jumped 67 points. Considering that the monthly payment is only $35, I'd say it's well worth it if you are looking to, for lack of better wording, fix your credit, get it together. So what else we have? Shopify, this is a business expense. It's $31, $32. That's also auto. Then we've got that $100, and we've got, so I've budgeted $75. Let's put the date up here. For the Villa Beautiful anniversary kit that's dropping today. As of the recording of this video, I have not purchased the kit. I've budgeted $75 for it. I will be honest, if it's more than that, I'm probably going to take the money out of my allowance. But I will be feeling some type of way about myself if this kit is more than $75 and I spend the money on it. I already know I'm going to get nothing but beautifulness. It's still going to bother the hell out of me. Just being honest with myself, that's the best thing you can do to yourself, is be honest. So cash envelopes are allowance. and I'm getting $100 this week. We've got gas, which is $40. I did go up on the gas a bit. I noticed that the prices are changing at the pump. I'm not too happy about it, but it is what it is. There's no point in us crying over spilled milk. It's not like I can do anything about the gas prices, so I've given myself a little bit of leeway. I rarely drive. I rarely go outside the house during the day, and filling up my tank on Sunday afternoon, Sunday evenings usually gets me to the next Sunday, and then I'll still have a quarter of a tank. It only costs $20 to fill up my tank. I drive a 2010 Honda Accord V6. Again, I don't go anywhere enough where I'm burning through gas like that. So we have groceries, $75. I am not putting anything towards my car maintenance sinking fund this week, but we are still going to write it here because I forgot it last week and the week before, and I need to get my entire life together because that's not cool, dude. So let's get some totals going. Here. And we won't need a total here, but we will put our lines. Because what did I just say? You don't have to wonder if there are lines there. And we can't forget our savings. Okay. Oh, duh. I think I have something else coming in this week and cannot remember what in the ham sandwich it is. So we'll give that extra space and we won't total that right now. So for our expenses, we have Cricket, Navy Federal, $272.39, Self-Lender, Shopify, so we've got $563.71. Savings is $100. Our allowance, gas, groceries. Oops, you're tripping. Allowance, gas, groceries. We've got $215 that we need to pull from the ATM, which is going to be $220, and the $5 will go into the savings can. I have an old can of coffee that I cleaned out, and I use it for situations where I need to pull $215. And of course, obviously, you can only pull 20s from the ATM. So anytime I run into a situation like that, the money goes into the coffee can. Every 6 months, I have an alert set on my phone to remind me to take that money and put it back in the bank. So there's that. So all of our expenses need to go here. Totals, we've got $563.71, $100, $215. That is $878.71. We got $926 minus $878.71, and our leftover funds are $47.29. Leftovers. So that money for me is, if it's anything less than $60, it's fair game. I can spend it how I please. If this amount is usually over $60, if it's over $60, for example, let's say this was $147.29, I would take all of it except for $60 and put it in my travel account. So let's say I had $147.29 left over. $87.29 would go into the travel fund, and the $60 would stay with me. Fair game, like I said. So We are done with Paycheck 3. Thank you for tuning in to Money Mondays. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.